Hello you guys, Cimplycece here, and I'm coming with a very random video. I am currently doing a braid out, as you guys can see, but what I'm using a setting lotion today. This is nothing special. It's by LOTTA. Something I had in my drawer, and God knows for how long, but since I was doing it differently, I usually do my braid outs with just water and like maybe a moisture mist, but I'm going to use that this time. And I want to share it with you guys to see if I see a difference in it and how it comes out. And plus I haven't done an updated braid out in a while. So before we jump into this video, if you are new here, hello, my name is Cece and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in with me tonight. Yes, it is nighttime, as you guys can see outside. But here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also documenting my sister-like journey, as you can see. And if you're interested in any of those things, if you enjoy your girl, if you just have a good time here, please be sure to subscribe. It is free and it shows me a lot of support and it's greatly appreciated. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads. And make sure to share if you think the video can be helpful. So without further ado, let's jump into this braid out.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't.
Dude, I'm gonna throw in this clip.
Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes.
That is what is left. I did not look at the back, so I am just going in blind. But for what I'm using, as I showed earlier, I'm using this LOTTA. I'm also using this Honeydew liquid moisture refresher. I shared that before. I will make sure to link it. And then some water. And that is all. So I'm going to go in and show you guys how I'm applying this. So if you want to use a foam wrap or a setting lotion, you'll just know how I did it. But this is just my updated way. I've never done my braid out with any kind of setting lotion. So it's the first. So I'm just going to go in, mist it with the water first. Get it damp, not dripping wet, but damp. Then I'm going to go in with my Honeydew here. The same. It kind of penetrates. And then I'm going to go with my foam wrap. And then I'm going to just rub it all through all the locks. Ooh, I'm making a mess. But I want to rub it through the locks like this. I know I see people do it for the curls, but I just figured, hey, maybe it'll add a little bit more definition for the braid out. And I'm going to braid. I always, once I get around this far down, I'm going to combine it. Yeah, like this, split it in two, and I'm going to twist the ends the rest of the way. And then I'm going to fold it under, make a little knot, add a rubber band, and I'm just going to go around one and then two, and that's it. And I'm going to just speed through the last few.
Tattoo like I do.
Okay, you guys, so the braids are in. I'm just double checking and making sure I didn't leave a lock out because I've done that before. I have no idea how the back looks. I'm hoping, because in my mind I'm thinking it won't matter when I take it down, but I'm hoping that I'm correct and I'm not making a mistake. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to do two things. Uh-oh, sorry guys, I'm making a lot of noise. If you didn't know, this is clearly an impromptu video. I didn't plan this. So I'm going with my Design Essentials Edge and Temple Strengthening Oil. And I'm going to go ahead and oil my hairline here. I did go in and do a quick hairline refresh. I didn't film that, but I will link the video on how I do my hairline refresh just to prolong my reties. And I'm gonna just add this oil over here too. And I'm just gonna, you know, rub it back, making sure I got it everywhere. Okay, and then after applying that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to spray my hair with this. I like this. I don't know what's all in it, but this is what I'm going to use. I use it on my lock client. It has, I know it has like something with peppermint, or it has something that makes you feel like it does. Either or. I'm going to just spray this on my scalp to just add some moisture to it. But not heavy oil. You know, oils can clog your scalp, your pores, I mean. And that is all. And I'm going to, ooh, I think I'm going to sleep in a bonnet, you guys. I haven't slept in a bonnet in a while. If not, I will just sleep on my satin pillowcase. So I'm going to attempt the bonnet. All right, you guys, and I'm going to go to sleep, of course, and I'm not gonna lie, I may not take this down tomorrow, but the next day I will be back to show you guys what the final reveal is through editing magic. So, see you guys later. Okay, you guys, so we are back for the takedown. It has been a few days. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm just gonna grab my good old faithful Eco Styler gel, you guys. Yes. Real quick, let me pull y'all up. So, I'm gonna go in and lay my edges. So, I've been wearing it like this, y'all, for literally, I don't know, like 5 days. I'm gonna count it for y'all and let y'all know on the screen. So, I'm gonna just go in. Usually, I like to put water, but I want it to kind of dry really quick because I'm actually in a hurry. So I'm gonna lay my edges down, and I just dip my comb in the Eco Styler gel so I don't get stuff up under my nails, and just rub it off the comb.
I want you to be my lady. Oh, sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for a lifetime?
I'm gonna just go in with this little twist comb and grab these little edges and do that. Cause I really want that to be a lock, y'all. But y'all, if y'all know my story, you know my story. We tried it and it was just not a successful try.
Now any other day I would play it cool, but I can't now, cause I want you. See, I'm hooked on how you flex your style, and I wanna talk for a little while. I never really seen you type, but I must admit that I kinda like. So maybe if you have the time, we could talk about you being my sweet lady. Would you be my sweet love for a lifetime?
Ouch, that hurts so freaking bad. Okay, finally we got all of the braids, the rubber bands out, and we're gonna proceed to take this braid out one braid at a time, you guys. Ooh, it's not flaky or anything. Oh, the definition is, oh, listen.
On the regular, I will waste time, but I don't want to, 'cause you're so damn fine. And I heard that you were taken, that don't have to stop you from making late night phone calls on the telephone about your fantasies and ways to get it on when you need me. I will.
Okay, you guys, so I got all the braids out. This is the final results, and it is absolutely beautiful and stunning. Like, look at this. Yo, can we say length? Look at this. I ain't even seen the back. Hold on, let me get a mirror. Girl, I ain't even seen the back. Oh my God, that was a beautiful. Just listen, y'all. What was that? What'd you say? I didn't hear you. Y'all, this Braidout is the truth. Tucking the ends is something I'm gonna do for the rest of my lock life. I love that it gives it like a, I don't know, it doesn't give it like a straight look. You almost don't know where the lock ends really. It's kind of like the curl stops. I love that. It almost makes it feel like a tangle. Listen. Listen.
There for you, my sweet lady. Sweet lady, would you be my sweet love for?
This is what the Braidout is giving. And it's giving everything, ma'am. I don't care. Don't thumb down the video, because if you do, you a hater. You a hater. This is cute. No, I'm playing. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. If y'all try it out, let me know. All the products I use, I will make sure to link them in the description down below. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, before we get out of here, as always, y'all, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. Remember, God doesn't want to hurt you. He never wants to trick you. He loves you, and he cares for you. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Keep your fancy drinks and your expensive minks. I don't need that to have a good time. Keep your expensive car and your caviar. All I need is my guitar.